Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by cleaning the sticker's surface with isopropyl alcohol so adhesive and grime don't restick. This helps the edge lift. Once done, apply heat from a hair dryer or low heat gun at about 3-5 inches away for 20-40 seconds to soften the glue. Now, use a fingernail or a thin plastic card to pry a corner. Work slowly and pull at a low angle, because that minimizes residue and prevents tearing the sticker into tiny pieces. You continue by peeling slowly, holding the card or edge steady while pulling at a 30 to 45 degree angle. That mechanical motion separates adhesive fibers cleanly. If the sticker resists, reapply heat in short bursts and work in small sections rather than yanking. This preserves the surface beneath. When you see residue, switch to a light oil, cooking oil or baby oil, then rub gently or use a commercial adhesive remover. These break down glue molecules, making that sticky film wipe away without scratching. To finish, you remove any remaining oil and dissolved adhesive with isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth so no haze remains. Once clean, inspect the surface for scratches or discoloration. If glue persists, try a baking soda paste or a citrus-based adhesive remover, applied briefly and wiped off. These are abrasive-safe options. If something goes wrong, test your solvent on a hidden spot next to the sticker first, because that prevents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.